Okay, I took a little stain and had a little bit of clear left in a can and kind of thinned it down and to kind of darken this up. And another reason I was doing that is that this is pine, this is cedar, and I want to kind of match the look of it up. And I was able to straighten out the warp in it, and it's wet right now. I'm gonna put it over there on the bench, and I got a little fan I'll put on it and let it dry for the next day or so. But that is pretty much it, other than putting them felt pads underneath that I was showing in a previous video. I really didn't want to use clear on it, but I used that clear to stretch that stain, what little I had left over in a small can. But the way this thing is set up, I mean, it's going to last a long time. Well, the camera crapped out again. Like I said, this thing will last a long time if it's not abused. I don't know why this camera, maybe because it's colder than hell outside, but anyhow, this will hold 6 pairs of shoes, and it won't take up much room. So I'll do another video of it on the porch looking all nice and pretty after it dries up, and then I'll do one of it all loaded up. So let me get out of here. Okay, this video showing where I put the pads here and here on the side. It had sticky on the bottom of it, so I was gonna staple it down, but if the sticky is holding, and once I get it in place, that should keep it there. But that's where I did them pads at. Off to the next video. Okay, there she is on the back porch, and I like to put it out like this so I can kind of have a walk around, have a look at her. Six pairs of shoes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 pair over there. That's some leftover lumber and stuff that I used. Had a little can of clear left, mixed some stain in with it, kind of darkened it up a little bit. Yeah, it's windy out. Let's have a look what it may look like on the end, or what's going to look like on the inside. Okay, that's what she looks like by the back door. Coats and everything up there, mud boots and all that crap right there. Was stacking them up right there, getting away the door. Looks pretty good. Like how it turns out next to the plants and all. Well, I think I might take that plant and move it over right there. Anyhow, that'll be it on this one. Go make you one. You'll be glad you did. Catch you guys on the next video.